So, I've got my garlic all chopped up, 3 heads, as I said. I've got a bowl, fork. I've got egg chopper, and I've got my eggs. So what you do now? This is gonna be the best breakfast sandwich ever. Chop chop. Turn it round and then chop chop. And that's a 1. And that's a 2. A 1. A 2. It's late morning, but still, I just thought, you know what I want? I want egg and garlic sandwich for my breakfast. I'm chopping 7 eggs. You can chop 1 egg, you can chop 2 eggs, you can chop whatever. I need 7 in this case for me and my son. My son is only little, so he's not gonna eat a lot, but he still loves it. And I know your breath is gonna be smelling for the rest of the day, but I don't care. I ate a good sandwich and I don't care. Okay, so 7 eggs, boom. Then egg. 7 eggs and 3 little, not heads, because 3 sized onions. Now what you need is mayo. And this is how easy it is to make this sandwich. Boom, introduce mayo into the mix. So eggs, garlic and mayo. If you never tried this and you like garlic, you will love it. If you don't like garlic, you should have. Why are you watching this? I have no idea why you're watching this. Okay, that's it. See? Made like a salad type thing. Then what you do is you can either eat it out of the bowl like that with bread, or you can introduce bread and then kapow, kaboom, and then just spread the word. There you go. And now what you do is split it into manageable bite sizes. And you put it on the plate. Boom, boom. My boy is probably gonna need another one. But basically that's it. That's it. That's the sandwich. It's done. It's very tasty. It's very good for your gut. Because usually kids have this worms or whatever. So worms, as we all know, hate garlic. So you either eat garlic or you just present your kids with this, and they, at first, they'll probably hate it. but if they like garlic, they will love it. Boom, that's it. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for some more videos like this, and maybe more videos to do with something else. Like and subscribe. Peace out.